So the other day, HSU reached out to me and they wanted me to do a review on their underwater selfie stick for the GoPro. And so I got my package from Amazon today. So I'm gonna crack that open and I'm gonna show you how this stick works and we're gonna put it to the test. Let's get started. So this is the box. It actually is a small box. It shows a surfer on the back. So this is pretty durable considering you can go surfing with it. And so it says work with your action camera, smartphone, compact camera, and SLR. So in the box, it includes the selfie stick and it comes pre-mounted with a GoPro mount. This expands out, it telescopes to 22 inches. It seems pretty sturdy to me. Doesn't seem clunky or anything like that. Seems pretty durable. And then this is a mount that will go on for your phone. So this screws right in here on this GoPro mount. So you can pop your phone on there and then you can put that underwater if you dare. It's also got a leash. And this is some kind of a removal tool. So we'll get a little bit more in depth with this tomorrow when we take it out for a spin. So the other day I ended up taking this to Paul Ream Wilderness Park in Provo and I showed you how to do a few things. Right here you can see me with the stick pointed down with the GoPro in front of me walking forwards. Super easy to change positions with this stick and it gives you kind of a cool perspective being low like that. Here's another one going forward with the sunset. It's an amazing sight and it looks like you're right on top of the ground. And then this is me with the stick on the side walking away, walking across a bridge. Get that low perspective, you can see the dog there. And then transitioning into the water, and this is going downstream, and it's in about 4 inches of water. So you can see, even just with me walking on the shore, trying not to get wet, pretty easy to control. Going up a trail. Chasing some ducks. Be respectful of the ducks, I'm just walking normal. Ducks jumping in the pond. That bridge with the sunset, like I'm right on the ground and look at that sunset in the background. It's pretty amazing. My biggest takeaway on this item, I really like it. It's pretty sturdy. The retraction works pretty well. You can lock it by twisting it. It needs to be a little longer, but they did build in a screw on the bottom, so you could stick a pole with a screw on it to extend it, so you can put it deeper underwater and do more things with it. Of course, during the summer, I'll actually be swimming and paddleboarding and stuff, so I'll take it for a little further spin. But for now, I really don't want to get wet. It's too cold. So we'll leave that adventure for later. Overall, a pretty good product. I'd recommend it. It was only 15 bucks on Amazon. It's not a very big risk to you. So if you want to have a little more adventure with your GoPro and maybe your phone, take this for a spin and see what you got. It's an HSU waterproof selfie stick. And we'll catch you next time.